Video we will demonstrate how to make different crafts using tissue. So at first we are making some flower. You can see how we have made the tissue wet and we are using it in the craft. You can see we have made the flowers and this craft is completed. Next we will draw a line on the paper as shown in the video, and next we will roll a thread and we will add another thread to it. Next we will add the eyes and we will make a beautiful caterpillar on it. You can see we have also added the legs and some leaves to the branch. Next we have taken a A4 size paper and we are drawing a flower to it. You can see how we have spreaded the color and we have cutted it, and now we will paste it on the paper. We have also made the stem and you can see how beautiful it is looking now. Next we will make a watermelon. You can see how we have spreaded the color. We have used the water to spread the color, and next we will make the base. You can see how we have given the wavy lines and we will cut pieces of the watermelon and we will paste it on the base. You can see how delicious is it looking now. Next we will make a face and we will make the eyes and we will make a joker out of it. Now we will add some holes to the base and we will use some threads to make the hair of the joker. You can see how we are pasting it and your joker is ready now. You can see how good this is looking. Next we will use a tissue paper and we will cut it as shown in the video. We have given the triangular shape to it and we are using watercolor to make it. You can see the color is spreaded. Now we will paste it to the black color base and we will make the stem with the marker. You can use a sketch pen also, and we have made it and it is looking too beautiful. Next we will tear some piece of paper and we will draw a sun shape with the crayons. Next we will paste it to the black paper and we will make a vase with the chalk. You can see how beautiful the flower vase is looking now. Next we will add the stem and some leaves to it to make it look more beautiful. Now we will use a black color base and we'll paste a bird shape to it, and next we'll use the white color, spread it with the straw. And you can see after removing, next we'll add the texture to the back and this is completed. Now we'll use different colors to make a craft. You can see how we have spreaded it and we have made a face of a boy. We'll add the eyes and of course the smiling face, and you can see how easy it was to make after adding the clay. Now again we will use the clay to make some flowers and we'll paste it to the paper and we'll spread it by using our hand, and we have made the leaves in the same way and you can see this is ready. Now we are making some face of some different expressions and this is completed. Thank you very much for watching the video.